and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to add a table in Canva. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to click on elements in the left bar, and here in the search bar you have to search for table and then press enter, and you will see different tables here, and click on see all, and here you will see different designs of table. You can select any one from these. For example, I want to select a simple table, so I will just click on it, and you can see our table has been added successfully. You can adjust the size of table from here, and here you can write your text. For example, I want to write text, and you can see our text has been added. And if I want to adjust the size of this text, you can from here adjust the size, and from here you can adjust the color of text, and you can see we have successfully added a table in Canva Pro and added a text in Canva. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.